Here are a couple of interesting things about ethnic cuisines around the world. Diversity within diversity. Many countries with famous national cuisines also have incredible regional variations. Take China, for example. Within China, there are 8 major regional cuisines, each with distinct flavors and ingredients. Sichuan cuisine is known for its spiciness, while Cantonese cuisine emphasizes fresh seafood. More than just food, ethnic cuisine is often tied to cultural traditions and celebrations. In Ethiopia, injera, a spongy flatbread, is a staple food and is eaten with various stews using your hands during meals. This communal eating experience strengthens social bonds. Fusion is the future. Ethnic cuisines are constantly evolving and influencing each other. Take Peruvian cuisine, for instance, which combines fresh ingredients from the Andes and the Amazon with Spanish and African influences to create unique and flavorful dishes.